The man who needs no introduction in the cricket field, yes, also CEO of Yumumba, Mr. Suhail Chandra. Suhail, such a great organization, such a greatly organized event. You yourself are an entrepreneur, you're a CEO of a sports team, you've seen a sports franchise league up close. How difficult is it to go behind the scenes and how much effort does it go to make it look effortless if you had to educate the audience?
Yeah, we were actually talking about this a few hours ago. Just saying the production value of the ISPL has been unbelievable. I think what they've managed to pull off on such a grand scale. I'd say you look at this and you think, wow, for a tennis ball cricket league, it's on similar levels of an IPL, and that says something about the quality. Today's, every day, I think you get artists like Kanika Kapoor, Mika Singh, Sonu Nigam. You think of all the top names. They're here to entertain them between innings. Everything I think that they did was very well thought through. It takes an army.
And top names like Suhail Chandok in the comment box as well.
Yeah, no, it's been a lot of fun. I think when I signed on to do this as a commentator, I knew it would be fun. I didn't think it would be so much fun. We've had a blast calling it, and as you can tell, my voice is almost gone. But look, it's been awesome. Really, hats off to all of them. I think Sachin Bhaji deserves a lot of credit for the ideation. The execution, of course, goes to the entire committee and the committee. But yeah, blew our minds. So yeah, very cool. Looking forward to coming back season after season.
And also as a CEO, what is the key takeaway that you would like to take? Because ISPL season 1, ISPL season 2, massive transformation.
Also, I think they're listening to teams. I think that would be my takeaway, right? They're doing small things that are different. ISPL ball has been changed. DRS included. Different things that they're bringing in. And I think it's very important to listen to stakeholders when they give you feedback. It's something that we cherish as a franchise. If I'm putting on the other hat now, a lot of commentators have, and I think it's important for the league and stakeholders to work together, which they seem to be doing well.
Right, UTT coming up, and there's a lot of U sports action coming up. What is that one message that you'd like to give to all stakeholders who are wanting to invest into the domain of sport? And as CEO yourself, what is the future vision you're looking in the near future as well as going forward in the longer tradition?
I would say stay patient. It's the one thing that I've seen good stakeholders do. I'm relatively new to the business, but I've seen it, of course, in very close quarters for a long time. Because you don't get the magic returns early, and often you don't perhaps get them for a very long time. So stay invested, show passion, and stay invested for the right reasons. Don't just look for an exit. That's what I would say.
Suhail Chandok, ladies and gentlemen, who else but this man to guide us through the entire journey of entrepreneurship and leadership skills? Thank you so much, Suhail.
Thanks.